let's start the recipe. I'm going to have the parchment paper. You can put it under a plate or any tray. I'm going to grab the date. I'm going to be cutting it in half. Once it's open in the middle, I'm going to add the almond butter. If you don't have the almond butter, you could use peanut butter. Then I'm just going to repeat the process on all the dates. Since I have some pomegranate, I'm going to be adding it to some of the dates. If you don't have the pomegranate, don't worry. It's just optional if you want to add for extra crispiness. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding is the tahini. Don't get discouraged if you don't have this ingredient. I'm also going to be adding dark chocolate. This is just for extra flavor. So I'm just going to drizzle on the top of the dates, just a little bit. The recipe to make the melted chocolate is adding 2 tablespoons of the cacao powder and then 3 teaspoons of the coconut oil. Then you just mix it and that's it. Now it's time to add the melted chocolate on top of the dates. Let me tell you that if you don't have the cacao powder, you could always add any other melted chocolate that you melt on the microwave. Now I'm just adding some of the coconut flakes just for extra flavor. Next, I'm going to be adding the Himalayan pink salt. I have the big chunks of this salt, but if you have the sea salt, you could also add the sea salt. The salt is going to give it a salty taste and a crunchy taste to the date. Now it's time to put it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes. And here they are. I took them out of the fridge and I took them out of the parchment paper. I put them on a separate plate. And I added some pomegranate and some orange on the plate. This is how they look in the inside. They're so delicious. You need to give this recipe a try. Please don't forget to check out my Instagrams for more recipes that you're going to love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!